Hi. We had this issue with our front door, being a large wooden door that kids would always slam the door. So you will have this going every day, all day long. So I searched the internet and I found the solution. And this is it. It's not the overhead door closer, because I didn't want to have overhead door closers, and there's very little room between the head reveal and the edge of the door actually to fit the overhead door closer. So I searched the internet and I came to this product that is made in Spain by a Spanish company and it's been imported in. I got it off Amazon. They call it retainer brake. It's basically some kind of door anti-slam mechanism that takes the door in its latching position and latches the door slowly. So you can slam the door, and just before it actually slams, this mechanism will engage and then slowly close the door. I've been working as a carpenter in south of England for the last 25 years and I never come across this before. It's really clever little thing. I wish I knew about it yesterday, because many customers ask for something that we put up on doors, especially front doors, to stop it from slamming. It comes with very detailed instruction, really detailed. On the bottom right corner you can see how to adjust the cylinder. It's got like a hydraulic or pneumatic cylinder that can be adjusted. Now it's been mainly designed to go on top of the door vertically to be installed. Now I have no room to install that vertically on the door, as you're gonna see now in just next clip. See there? It's too big to be installed on the top vertically. So instead of installing it vertically, I'll just install it horizontally by the top edge of the door. Now, it's not the prettiest looking mechanism. It's very industrial looking, but it does the job. So I'll install it first and then we'll see the ways how to conceal it, maybe paint it brown or something, just to make it stand out less. This is the way how mechanism works. You can see the speed of retraction that can be adjusted as shown on that instruction manual. It's got removable pin to separate the arm from cylinder or from the piston. Once it's all swung open, you can see fixing holes. It's a very simple installation. It's literally just offer it on, mark up the holes and use a pilot drill and fix it on. This is the catch part of the mechanism. It's very effective. It's really ingenious, very simple and very effective. This is basically the way how it's going to work. So that's closed, and as you're opening doors, you load up the mechanism, and as it's closing, mechanism takes over and shuts the door like that. So let's proceed with installation. By the way, it feels really solid. It feels like a proper solid piece of kit. After I marked up holes positions, I'm using a small pilot drill to drill all these little holes. all fixings are supplied in the box. You have more than enough screws there, and also they supply 2 little circlips, one to be used and one as a spare. I do apologize for a bit of lag in the video. I should have really edited this a bit better. Once main body of mechanism is installed, I'm just gonna use the door and try to find the best position for the latching, for the keep. Once I'm satisfied with the position, I'll mark up the holes, again pilot drill and fix it with screws supplied. Now I'm going to temporarily just attach piston to the arm with a pin. You can see the pin is actually profiled and it's got a groove for circlip to be installed to stop it from falling out. But first I'm going to put it in and just try and test operation of the arm, and I will actually rotate the piston few turns clockwise to adjust the strength of the cylinder. Now this is the little circlip that will be installed afterwards. So first, as I said, I'm gonna just temporarily install this pin to engage the piston. Manually load it up. So we'll need a bit of adjustment, and that's simply done. I'm using actually the little pin as a tool to rotate the piston a few turns around. You can see there it's depending on the speed or strength of the cylinder. You just rotate it clockwise or anti-clockwise. So that's how to adjust it. You can have it faster or slower operation. And then after that adjustment, I'm gonna assemble it together, connect it together, and put a little circlip in. It is very simple installation process. it took me actually probably as long as this video is. It's really simple. I'm just trying to see exactly is everything lined up as it should be, and then little circlet goes on, and you don't really need any tools, any special tools for that. It's literally just push it in with a finger and it's clipped on. Now it works. Manually load the mechanism up. There you go. All done. All we can hear is actually click of the latching mechanism of the latch, and that's it. Door does not slam anymore. There you go. I'm very pleased with it, and hopefully it will be long-lasting mechanism. All the best, and please subscribe.